Change the color to red. Finally, I made it. Finally, I made it. The second time of my life. Change it. In the lift. Why are there so many orange? Because orange tastes like tuna. Funny. Who got it?
You score a goal, buddy. Come on. I bet you're gonna score a goal. Score a goal, buddy. Wait, hold on. Y'all were.
Wait.
You only have 16 out of like 30. God damn it. My goal! Oh no!
Yes, Jack, what did you say?
Let's take it.
I'm holding a sword.
Guys?
Oh, they on the floor. What are you doing?
Now,
Welcome to my club. You can for free.
This hot tub.
Maybe see you later.
The hot tub.
You want to come?
Previous video.
This way. Oh, Alright, so we need to clean all up. So bring this stuff back where it needs to go. Thank you very much.
Don't be a long
would you like to?
Give me the ball.
If you're in, can you play?
Guys.
Wait, you play uncapped.
Guys.
See me at the store.
You know what game this is? Yes, guys. Yes, guys. What game this is, guys? Type it down in the comments. Good job. I am cat. It's called my cat. I'm gonna make it. And maybe turn off. Get back here!
I know. My ball. No, that's my ball. I don't know. I'm a fishy one. I must change the ball. Tell me what P4 thought on my bed.
They are slippery.
Give me the ball. Give me the ball.
Which they are slippery.
Why are you being the ball, God?
Slippery. You know, and I have everything.
Stop moving.
I'm done.
Hey!
I'm gonna hit a slam dunk. Give me that.
Don't red. It has to be red, okay?
I will steal
The
that.
ball is amazing.
No.
Do it.
I literally grabbed
Meow,
it.
meow. Meow.
Lava. Chicky.
Meow.
No.
I'm gonna fake you.
There we go.
Oh! I jumped in.
Ballerina cappuccino. Did you
Like it.
Oh, fake them.
Brain rock kid.
Meow.
100k people want me.
Give me the ball.
What?
That's why
Lava.
you're
Chicky.
Don't be a ball.
Nobody can find this. Aim jump.
Hey, do you want to be my friend?
Nobody can find it now.
Are you talking to me? Oh, yeah.
And there's this clearly. Let's call it. Get up to the top there. What did you do, Wash? still watch a video of that. And did that. But of course you can't jump. I'm just gonna do what he said. Do come with me.
What happened?
There's my ball. My ball. Are you gonna be a ball hog? I'm not holy moly.
I got it.
Well, you a wolf.
Hello, my jump!
Where is it gonna be again?
You wanna buy something? Huh? Hey, how was your food? Jump! No!
Why does somebody died?
This is the dog here. Anyone wanna take in this dog as a pet? Tell me where to because he's a caiman. Put the dog right there. Oh, here, little doggy, looking out. I'm following you. Got you right now on my way. Follow me.
Follow me.
Following you. Follow. Got it.
I got a knife.
No, don't the heck follow that guy.
Give him a knife. If I give him a knife.
Whoever,
I got a knife. I got a knife.
where's Team Red?
Whoever's Team Red, follow me.
In the room with a bed.
Your Team Red?
Who's the best?
Green must win. Green. Now just gotta.
Yeah, Mom. Mom.
Would you like to buy something? Are you on red team? Fine, if you're not gonna buy something to come in.
Meow.
No, you're not? Okay. You also have a hotel in here.
I'm a cat.
Think of this. Hey, let me get in now. I was having a
No, not letting you get in. Team Red.
I'm going to the secret room.
Her like
Okay, follow me. How'd you? Mommy. No. Oh, yeah. Would you like to buy something? This is the most boring life ever. You're a great dog.
Would you like to buy something? Would you like to buy something? Okay. I guess if you don't want to buy something, you can just come in here.
Okay, I'm hungry. Whoever's on Team Red, I quit. To be honest, I just quit my last job as a weapon seller, so I'm just playing random things now. Don't fall out the window. Don't fall out the window, buddy.